Okay, this is just for a basic swaddle. First I'm going to lay the wrap down, and there's going to be a little bit of it over to the one side of the baby. Probably, I would say, roughly 8 to 10 inches or so. I'm going to lay her down into the wrap. I do want a little bit of the wrap sticking out underneath her butt yet. The rest of it will just come up above her shoulders. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the little section and I'm going to bring it over top and tuck it underneath of her body. That just kind of gets the wrap started and gets her secured there. Then I'm going to bring the bottom up and hold that in place. And then all I'm going to do is grab the long side and I'm just going to wrap that the other way over top of her, and I'm going to do that over and over and over and over until I run out of wrap. As you can see, she was awake at this point and not really all that happy, but one of the helpful tips when working with babies that are awake, whether it's at the beginning of the session where they just haven't gone to sleep yet, or if they're just fussy mid-session, etc., you can swaddle them, and if you swaddle them nice and tight to where they can't get out, not only will you be able to control those crazy little limbs and keep them from waving arms in their face and all that, but it's also calming for most babies. Now, I've come across a few babies once in a while that absolutely hate to be swaddled, and their parents will say that they hate to be swaddled at home too, but for the most part, for most babies in my experience, swaddling is the way to go if you need to calm an awake and fussy baby. So I'm just wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until I run out of wrap, and then I am good to go. If I have a baby that is calm enough or sleepy, I can actually pull the hands out for a really cute look.